Hey, IDs, welcome to Module 2. This is the one that's on adult learning and knowing the audience. And this part is just so very, very important as we begin to think about what we're going to be doing with designing our courses. One of those things that we really always need to keep in the forefront of our mind is that adult learners are different than what children do in terms of what their learning is like. They consume the material a little bit differently. The motivation of an adult is so far different than a child, as you can imagine, because there is a lot of rationale and lots of very practical reasons for adults to be consuming adult learning. As you can probably think, why is it that we're in a graduate program? Well, it's some of it has to do with we're interested in the material, but there's a lot of other pragmatic things that go along with it in terms of looking for a better job, maybe looking to transition from one career to another, maybe looking to seek some advancement in your career. A lot of these things kind of play into it, and so we need to be cognizant of that when we're designing our learning. A lot of what we talk about this week has to do with the motivation of the adult learner. It's one of those things that I've actually presented on a few occasions, and it's really fascinating stuff to find that the motivation of a person is very much brain based. It really starts there, and behaviorally and so forth. And as creators of adult learning experiences, we need to be able to tap into that, reach their motivational places, so that we can help them to consume the adult learning pieces that we're charged to create. So be thinking about that this week when you're going through this module. I think you're going to enjoy the lecture piece. It's a fun one. There's some kind of interesting little pieces in there, getting you thinking about how you respond to particular things, and the discussion is a good one too. So have a really great week. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, that the first stop is the Q&A forum. If it's something that can be answered by the rest of the class, or else it's of a more personal nature, it would come right to me in the email. So have a great second week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.